Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
You have created an application, right? No application because yesterday what happened? There are some technical issues. I completely uninstalled and I didn't install. I will create an application. Then I add a case time. Click on the top to pick up right from his head. Click on new application. Go back. You select a classic. Classic looks good. This application can be different from the class structure. It need not be the same. You click on done. Now you create an operator. Open this operator. Save as this operator with your name and you change the access group. Bottom left side, you have the icon. From there, you can open it operator. You save as this one. Are you uninstalling it? Are you deleting in the local disk? See everything. Yes, completely because at any cost. I was trying here and there, but we didn't allow to open the application. Completely. I deleted everything and I installed again. There will be some files like PEGA files will be there. PC file. All those are deleting, right? This is You add the access group here. You can search with cake. Administrators you can view. Save it right. I'm saving. I'm going to log off right. Correct. Now why it's still PEGA platform? Click on the top. Switch the application. I think you haven't heard the default. Let's get this App Studio is completely for developers. We are. One option is coming from developers only delete like it was added in latest versions of PEGA. They will say it is for low code app development. Low code app development, in essence, you can directly create, not a complex requirement. You can create a small requirements with the local app development studio. But people are using that one nowadays, like in some new projects. They're using that local app, that app studio also. But certain for just for normal requirements. If they want to add any screen or any icon. For any complex requirements, if they can do it. Click on case. Add a case to be. You can add order. You can advance. No, you have to open it on actions. You can open it. You have top actions right. You open it. Make it never. Go to second list, pages step. Here you have vendor. You would remove that below one PSEX email. It is like, we need to mention this water. It is already existed. It's an OTB vendor. I has given out of the box. Double click. Save it. Click on the rules. It is in a click on the rules. On the top header class ID rules. Click then. Go to security. Users checkout. Is there? No. You select that one. Save it. You have saved it. Right. Go to your previous rule and refresh that rule. Checkout. And now you go to your workflow, the case type. I think you have already opened on an order. The next one. You add a next stage and create the life cycle. Click on the stage. Collect information is the first two stage. In search, collect information. You add a collector address info. I like to cake info. And you had review or something like that. You can use spaces here. Not an issue. Collect space info. Something like. You collect information. Pros. You need not give anything. Step. You can click on step. You give your heading like correct information instead collect information. You have to give like collected address information, collect order information to view. These are like headings, like the flows. According to that, they will input the. According to those names, we will do it in a sections, or the pin code and all. You understand? 1 minute here. Collect information means here one text box will automatically come. We are going to put this address and then like. What is the door number and all those things will configure it on sections. This is a high level life cycle. What are the stages are there? What are the steps are there inside a particular stage? That correct. Here you will give just the headings like address, cake information or order information is second one. Review. After that you are, 3 stages are sufficient. 3 steps are for this stage. You try to add next stage. Payment option and all here. Payment option you can add after restaurant has accepted the order. You can delete it. Anything is fine. It's all based on a business requirements. How actually business once you will give it. But this was the only rate you can give it anywhere. It's not an issue. You can like approve, reject. Click on the step and not a collective information. You do approve or rigid. Someone is here. What are these options available? I mean these are all automatically generated properties or no, these are not properties. These will generate a flow, shapes in the background. Only say for it. I mean yesterday we saw that. Flows? Then I'll show you. You do approve here. Prove. Now you save it. Here to save it. On collective information is there. You hover on collective information process. That is a stage below, one is a process. Below collective information? No. The collective information 2 times is. There is not a delete icon. You have one more icon. Click that. Click that. On the right side, you have open process. No. On the right side you. Why it is not highly clicked there? Not clickable. It's not aligned to open. You have saved the go to stages and steps back. You save it. You have saved, right click on save. What did you saying in your version of case type has been saved away. The KB or changes will not be saved. Click on refresh to proceed. You try to save it again. Is it not saving? Here you would be. Something here added. You try to refresh it. I think you have made modifications to be default rate. That's why you have to refresh it here. You had one more stage here. Once again, not an issue. No collecting from here. Order information. Anything is fine. Process. You will not tell anything directly at steps. see in the real time and you're working in any application or any company in PEGA, you will not do all those things. These things are already will be pre-configured for an existing application if it is scratch application. Some other LSS and lead system architects will do these things. High level understanding you will not do. Cake information. Collect the information. Look, you save it till here. Let's see if it is getting saved. It should get saved. We let that stage later on. Let's go to the floor. We can add it at any. Over and collect information. Below one. Click on the process. Is name. You have added one empty stage name. That's why this error came. You deleted that exclamation. You click on 3 dots. You can also delete or you can also refresh. You again open the process. Now go to open process. See, whatever the steps you have added there, that will become as in flow shapes here. Address cake info. You have added the steps there, right? Those steps will become a same main ship here. You should not give pin code and all there. If you give pin code there, what will happen? Pin code will become one assignment ship. Same main ship is nothing but a screen. Whatever screen you are looking into, that is in your assignment ship. Inside address is like into address. It is a screen you will give. Here cake information. Then you get the final stage. Really like. Headlines will be there like this, right? Anything else? Did it till now? Directly, we'll go how people will use this one. I mean we need to go for UI, then only you need to enter or how we can. We need to call you launch the portal on the top. We have launch portal. Click on that. Click on case manager. Click on cake on an order. Your easier case type name. You understand what I'm trying to say. Have given online order as your key. Click on the see the address. Step in online order case that does not have any view defined means you haven't added any section or any properties to the. You understand what it was saying here. This is an assignment shape right for this assignment. You haven't added any properties or anything else. It is not displaying anything. As of now, we have not added anything. This is our first screen. This is the first screen. If you click on Advanced this case, it will load to the second screen. Click on Advanced. This case, C to enter cake info cake in for the next screen. You understand the assignment shapes you have added there in your one screen. If you click on Advanced again, it will go for review. If you click on Advanced and it will resolve. There are no other screens defined. Thank you for your step. Case has been routed. It has been resolved. It read the shapes in cheer. You need to configure the field's properties inside your application here. The UI. You need to configure now the flow. You have configured the user interface. You need to configure the how to add the data, how to look into the data in a clipboard, all those things. Got. I get. Now you have a high level idea, right? What we are doing once. Once we are adding, then only it will show the current piece of work here. It will ask. Then only you can see on the clipboard also the data. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.